In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to install a hyperkinetic quad half-D chip into an electrolytic octal socket board. While this task may seem daunting at first, we're going to break it down into a logical, easy-to-follow, step-by-step process. Let's begin. First, you're going to want to do a quick survey of your board. Locate each of the 22 solder points, being careful not to confuse them with the similarly shaped PCB header points. Record the microaxial coordinates of these points onto a rigid sheet of polychestate paper. Second, decouple the electrostatic ferrite cogs from points A, B, C, D, and F. Do not modify the position of E. Be careful not to bend any pins in the process, as this may destabilize the mechatronic transformer, causing the balancing needle to go out of alignment. Next, isolate the manifold pressure sensors and remove them from the vinyl chassis. If you wear a watch, please remove it before attempting this step. The quartz may cause the injector solenoids to lose their charge. You may need to apply some pressure to detach the manifold sensors, but be careful not to rupture the feed lines. Your socket board probably looks something like this. This is the tricky part. While this is a do-it-yourself tutorial, doing this section without the supervision of a seasoned necromancer is unadvised. You'll want to take the cogs and the pressure sensors that you have already moved and solder them to the I-cube. Using a balanced Questre cable, connect the hysterical outputs to the lozengical inputs of the stim box. Now modulate the pleth chamber with a gentle sawtooth wave, always being mindful not to exceed a current of 90 decavolts. That wasn't so hard, was it? We're almost there. Next, apply some centrifugal force to the ionic nexus of the nested battery. Use a tirionic razor beam to guide the reactor to a nominal RPM. It's a fairly intuitive process once you get into it, but be careful not to collapse the interdimensional vise. Don't get too nervous, just be aware of the holocausts that might subsequently occur. Congratulations, you've successfully upgraded your socket board. If you've done it correctly, your results should resemble this.